Welcome. And today we'll see how to manage a directory for the customer. So we earlier seen that Neokloud content, that any directory which is pointed to the customer means kubectl hyphen k apps kubectl apply hyphen k means base command. So here is the current directory, but if any directory, suppose here is a new directory. So this will search for the customization.yaml file. So here is the plain, here is one directory which contains this new cloud English deployment, new cloud English services deployment file, and new cloud Hindi deployment YAML and new cloud Hindi services file. So this is a good means you can follow along. So the customization.yaml file contain all this file means like this control C. If I want to create a customization.yaml file, then in the resource section, all this new cloud file is there, this file is there, this file is there, and this file. Okay, so it will work. And but if the file goes on increasing, if the file goes on increasing, like Trump tariff, then there needs to some extra thing we need to do to organize the thing. Otherwise, it will be much messy. So here it is easy to understand, but when file grows, it's hard to identify the ownership because here new cloud Hindi and there would be many. So human can make mistakes because we are kind of man which forgot means who can forget easily to turn off the gas when our tea is already cooked. So it would work, but there is a better way of doing it also. So what we have do, we have done that we have split, we have created two directory, and these two files is moved in this directory, and these two files is right. Everywhere customization.yaml file is there, and this customization.yaml will talk about this two file. This customization YAML will talk about this two file in the resource section, and this main customization will point out this directory and this directory. So it would be very easy to and easy for the looking. And if you see here, so this is the customization.yaml like this. This is the customization.yaml. We have not written any transformation and patches here just to simplify the things, but this would be the better structure, and it is clean separation, and it easily give the ownership clarity, and it's easy for debugging, and it could be done for the many teams independently. So all the rest of the command will be the same. So if the main directory, if you see this customization.yaml, so it will point out this directory and this directory. Okay, so the rest of the thing is customize.build would work, and this all the command will work similarly, but you have to pass this directory. You have to pass this directory, or sorry, you have to pass this directory, or you can apply via build and apply. So please note, we won't apply via customization.yaml. We would apply with the directory. Always, if we are in the current directory, then dot is there. Otherwise, the path is there. So thank you so much for your love and support. And in next section, we'll see the demo of this. Till time, enjoy Kubernetes.